Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to sign up on OneDrive. So for that guys, first of all you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search for OneDrive. Now select the first website. Now select create free account. Now enter here a email address and now select on next. Now you need to create a password here and then select on next. Now enter here your first name. Now enter here your last name. Now select on next. Now select your country. Enter here the birth date, your birth month, birthday and birth year. And now select on next. Now they have sent the OTP to your email address. Now you need to enter here that code and now select on next. Now you need to fill the captcha. So after filling the captcha, if you don't need to sign in again and again, you can select yes, and if you can sign in again and again, you can select on no. And that's how you guys can successfully sign up on OneDrive. So that's it for the video now. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.